Hey, I'm Nupur Banerjee. I am 44 years old. I work as an assistant manager with a BPO, and I wanted to get breast augmentation for the longest time, but I was always very discouraged if I spoke to anyone about it, because it's like something unnatural going into your body, etc., etc. Nobody wanted to wanted me to go through this procedure, not even my partner at that point of time. But I really wanted to get it for myself and not for anybody else. It's not also about self-confidence. I'm a very confident person, small boobs, big boobs, they don't really make a difference. But I just wanted to, for myself, I'm fond of wearing good, dresses. And sometimes I used to feel, they never used to flatter my shape that much. I am a very modern woman who likes to, dress up well and all that. So it's completely for myself. So breast augmentation is what I got from here. So I got to know about Dr. Rajat Gupta when I was just scrolling through my Instagram feed. And instantly, after seeing one of his video or one ad, I checked out, his work and his videos in YouTube and in Instagram as well. And I was somehow very drawn to the knowledge and the experience that he had and the confidence with which he spoke. And then I researched a bit and I got to know that he's one of the biggest and the finest surgeons that we have. So I completely, at that point in time, without consulting any other hospitals or doctors, anything, I just made up my mind to take an interview or take an appointment. And I took an appointment, with the number that was given. So it was a skin innovation clinic. And I spoke to Amrita there, and she was again very polite, very nice. She completely explained me the whole procedure, whatever are going to be the precautions, etc. And she made me extremely, comfortable with the procedure. Plus, she talked about the fees, etc. So any question I had, she answered me beautifully, and that's when I took an appointment and wanted to visit the clinic. When I met Dr. Rajat Gupta, first thing, he's so punctual. He arrived even 5 minutes earlier. I got to the clinic. That really, something that impresses me a lot. And then when I spoke to Dr. Rajat Gupta, he is such a, so much of knowledge, so much of. There was, at the first go only, there was this comfortable vibe that I got from him, very positive. And of course, when it comes to a breast, it's like a little personal. We are not open to, actually revealing ourselves and talking about it. It's a personal issues that we have with ourselves. But he made me absolutely comfortable. I had absolutely no apprehensions in talking to him, and telling him why I wanted and etc. So he asked me a few questions and he explained me the procedure beautifully. He explained to me different sizes, different types of implants that we have, and how there are different procedures as well for the implants. So he made me absolutely comfortable. At the very go, I was extremely comfortable, and I just made up my mind then and there that I am definitely going to have this procedure done with him. And within 15 days, I think we got the surgery. As we all know, we are going through tough times, and the COVID-19 is kind of like eclipsed our lives, and it's very difficult right now to even go out. It's very scary, and to be honest, when Amrita told me that you have to come for an appointment on 22nd May, I think it was. So I was a little scared to go at these times, but she made sure that all the precautions will be taken care and it will be completely safe. And that is how it was. At that time when I went, I was the only patient there, and everything was properly sanitized. Everybody was wearing masks and suits and everything. So I never, got any feeling that it's unsafe or anything. Even when I came here for the procedure to Rosewalk Healthcare Clinic, it's completely sanitized. It's kind of state-of-art facility. All the doctors, everybody made me so comfortable. Not even for a moment I felt hesitant or unsafe or unhygienic, not even for a moment. So I would say definitely, every precaution is being taken care, and everything is extremely safe, extremely hygienic. So even after, I first of all, I'm so happy with my breasts, what they were before and exactly how I wanted them. I didn't really want to go over the top because it was more for myself more than anything, to show off or anything. It was a perfect size, something I've been dreaming of, you can say, for more than 20 years now. And the only thing I feel that, I didn't get it done earlier, and the hand movements, everything, today is the next day of surgery, and I drove to the clinic, and my hand movements, even after 1 hour of surgery, I could do my hand movements, everything, so it's not at all comfortable. It was a procedure which took around an hour or so, and even after 5 or 6 hours of the surgery, I went back home and I could do everything that I normally do at home. Little bit of pain and uneasiness there is there, but that's very normal after any procedure. It's nothing major, nothing something that we won't be able to endure. So I'm extremely happy with the shape, with the recovery, etc. So I am completely able to do, lead a normal life. So I'll be going, and logging in for my office hours as well. I drove to the clinic, so it's absolutely fantastic. My message to any women who are having self-confidence issues with their body, especially breast, I know it's very personal. It's not, we can't really open up easily and talk about it, or get any corrective surgery. Say if our breasts are sagging, or we have big boobs, we want to get them smaller, or small boobs, we want to get them bigger, or any kind of size problem, shape problem. We really don't talk about it. We really don't even talk about our the body issues and etc. But I think it's a message to all the women: please open up. It's not a big deal really. It's just a body. We get all kind of surgeries. Why not cosmetic surgery? I mean, it's very open, something that you want to do. Please go ahead and do it. There is no shame, nothing in talking about it, or getting the body that you have always desired. If you have the means for it, please go for it. Don't be shy about it. And I can guarantee you that if you come to Dr. Rajat Gupta and his clinic, I mean, everybody is so open, so open-minded. They will, it's a medical procedure. Don't think of it as anything else. So they are like doctors, like anybody else who's treating a heart or a kidney or anything. So they're very professional. You will have a great experience. So don't be shy. Please come up if you have any body issues, breast issues, or any other cosmetic procedures that you've been wanting for a long time. Please go ahead, talk about it, get it done.